Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, a day after. Take a look at some of the things that my son and daughter-in-law did over Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So we went to Opryland. I'd heard about all the fabulous lights and everything at Opryland, and she found all the information online, and so we went. And it was really nice. A lot of people, but you know, not too long of lines or not too long of a wait for dinner or any of that. So it was just very pleasant. We took the boat ride, like very touristy thing to do, but it was pleasant. It was nice. But before we left for Opryland, it was really windy. We had a wind advisory in effect for 24 hours, and I asked him if he could try to pin down some of that tarp over on the side of my property, the area I had forest mulched, and so they gave it the old college try. So what's happening is the wind is really blowing. We actually had a wind advisory last night until sometime today. And as soon as they get it pinned down, it blows back. Hey, Fred. Whoa. Say hi. Say hi. Fred. Fred. Say hi. Say hi. Are you excited? Do you like it here? You get to run free. Whoa, don't knock me down, okay? I don't roll like you do. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy, roll over. Roll over. We'll see if it kind of stays down. It's rolling up on the side. Oh, darn. I think we're gonna have to scrap this for today. And there's a dandelion in bloom on the 25th of December. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's poison ivy. And I came down to take a picture of this, a close-up of the leaf, to identify this plant. Not sure what that is either. Anybody? Little purple berries. Okay, heading out. The line was like right there. So it's peeled all the way back. It's just literally sliding. It's probably going to all be against that tree. All right, let's go check out the leak. Cistern leak. Look at my tire tracks. Totally wet, and it just goes down there. So he's taking the rods and the shade cloth down. The shade cloth is zip tied on the rods. That's electrical conduit, in case you're just joining my channel. And tornado kind of did a number on it, but I'm lucky, very lucky. So he's taking the poles off and the shade cloth off, and he's got to do the other one. This is actually encouraging. I think this is a pear tree, but look at all this new growth. And there are buds. I don't know how to keep the deer off that. There's no protection down here at all. But look, there's buds all over this thing. I wish Walker could stay here for a week. This may be futile, but I'm going to try to pick up some of these leaves. We could not get the tree to stand up. The wind just keeps blowing it over. Wouldn't it be amazing if I got a cabbage out of this? I planted it last spring and it never died. I think that was tarragon or something. And of course we had a fabulous meal for Christmas. I think it was only about a 10-pound turkey, but I hadn't made a turkey in a long time. And so a 10-pound turkey doesn't take that long. And it was done before, I should have taken it out probably a half an hour sooner. But it was good. And I made my rice dish that I'm going to make that for a video one of these days. I offered them some squash pie, but I gave them a taste and they go, nah, no thank you. So then I made brownies and that satisfied. And I made banana bread and we had that for breakfast, and we had homemade guacamole. Everything was homemade. So it was a great homemade Christmas. And I'm just so grateful that I got to see a little bit of my family. You know, when you have this really big event that you're working towards and looking forward to, and then it's over, you know, and then you got to like regroup and, you know, what is next? I have no idea what's next, because all the time that I've been here, the major goal was develop as much garden as you can, grow as much food as you can. That was the #1 goal. It is so hot sitting in the sun. It's the day after Christmas. Anyway, my son and daughter-in-law are on their way back to North Carolina, and I likely won't see him until March. We have plans to go skiing in Taos, which I haven't been to since I was in my 20s. That's, I guess, the thing that I'm going to gear up for and look forward to. Also, I still haven't gotten things put to bed, and I don't have help, so I'm going to have to do that. So I've got a lot to figure out. And I just wonder if you are experiencing the same kind of letdown, you know, after something you really look forward to and then it's gone. Are you going through that too? Or maybe you will when the family leaves. But, you know, family is so important. So I hope you had a great Christmas. Thank you so much for watching my channel and supporting it. And there are lots of ways to support the channel, which you can find underneath each video. If you like what you see, I hope you will subscribe and become a regular on our live streams on Wednesdays at 5 o'clock. I love to hear from the people who watch my channel. I like to know where they live, what they're up to, if they're trying to do the homesteading thing, or if they're just doing urban gardening, which is what I did for 8.5 years. And I tried to encourage everyone to take out their lawn and to plant a garden. And I have a lot of lawn here, but I have taken out a lot of it to turn into garden, and I just hope that I'm able to really produce from it. So we'll see. You'll see with me if you follow my channel. So I'll see you soon. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.